because the car is looking
here
so
we are,
ugly.
the birthday celebrant.
Yeah, it's me.
Happy
I'm
birthday.
hungry.
So we are here at our favorite restaurant, Schnitzel restaurant, the Landhuis Wormtal, here in Aachen. Yeah, this is really the best Schnitzel restaurant, and it's our favorite. So,
And
ayan
your
ang
best
grupo.
and her best shrimps. She loves the
Yes,
shrimps
that's
here.
right. At yan ang grupo. Oh, ayan ang grupo. We're all so excited. So here we are, susugod na sa restaurant. Ayan, we're here, our favorite restaurant.
Ja, dank je.
Ayan.
Gut. Kein Wunder, mit so vielen Frauen kommst du.
Ja, deshalb, hè? Ja, ja, nur Frauen.
Ayan. Yes, Schnitzel restaurant. So, okay lang ako, wherever. Look,
Ich habe da gerade.
my favorite. Ano daw?
Jij?
Oh, sige po.
Zullen wij de eentje van ons in de cordon bleu pakken en de andere gewoon is niet zo?
Magalingan niyo ang inyong exam mamaya. We
Nee,
have
dan
exam.
gaat de deal niet door.
Yan. We're here in the Schnitzel place.
Sorry hoor. Ja.
The best. Bibili ka ng ba't? Birthday celebrant. So the birthday celebrant will take the salad. So here they have, actually we're late. So kaya it is the salad bar. And it's eat all you can salad. See, eat all you can salad. So it's really so yummy.
En diesel.
Cola?
Even komt diesel.
Ayan, at meron na kaming
Ja, diesel hè?
here's our salad.
Vielen Dank. Eine Cola hier.
Ja.
Und eine Cola hier bitte.
Okay.
Die waren leer. Dann musst du wieder alles.
Ja.
Again, I see.
Look like sopas, Ritis ano?
Make your own sopa.
Your own sopas ha? Riti yung salad mo. Kaya nga. There's the
Schön.
Look how big.
Cordon bleu is voor mij.
Grabe laki.
Dank je.
Ikaw,
Dat is ook maar één.
Die is wel twee.
Dit is maar eentje hoor.
Die met de saus.
Grabe, Pits. Oh, sa birthday celebrant.
Dan mag die zonder saus.
And it's only
Baka na steak cell.
Heb jij
14 to 15 euro. Super big.
Not with more.
Restaurant is really good for money, the value of money.
Gambas hier.
So, das ist sehr viel
Ayan ang isang
Soße.
kilo namin sa
Dat is een lot of sauce.
Was bekommen Sie noch?
Ja, vielen Dank.
Champignonsschnitzel.
Baka kanya tinapay.
Champignons.
Champignon.
Yeah.
Ba't mo kinukuha mo?
Why do you take it?
Dankeschön. Voorzitter, dat is sehr viel Öl. Ne?
Oh,
A
wow.
lot of oil. That's what he asked. He warns you, huh?
Ronald, wil je die
Ah.
picture mo?
Dit is.
Mat, gusto ko tinapay ah. Gusto mo moeder?
Okay.
Ayan ang kay Lablab at Mark. Super laki.
Haben Sie vielleicht noch eine Zitrone, bitte? Eine Scheibe Zitrone.
Dalawa, ribs.
Yeah.
Picture muna with
Sige,
the
isa-isa daw. 1, 2, 3.
2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Grabe, sarap.
For us. It's for the three of us.
Sa salad, oh. Salad. And look. Yummy. Lalaki ng schnitzel. Super big schnitzel. You see?
Yeah,
How they
it's a
serve
lot.
the schnitzel. And the spare ribs also. Look. Super duper yummy. Sophia, you're one.
Als je nog saus wil, Rika, dan hoor ik het aan, hè?
Meron ko sa
Sophia, look. So big. Yummy. Happy birthday to
me.
you. And my 1 kilo scrums. And my salad. Wow, yan ang salad.
There.
There.
First door. Ngayon ko na CCR.
Go in that.
Ayan ang aking 1 kilo screams, oh. Tommy, oh, 1 kilo screams with bread. Oh, with salad pa yan. Yummy, yummy.
I
Ayan.
think your mommy is already full.
2, 3. 2,
Blur, nakikita.
1, 2, 3.
That's not.
Oh, ayan ang screams ko. Look, they're
It's not in a
finished na, ha?
vocabulary.
Ubus lahat, ha?
It's not in the dictionary for.
Ayan.
Kasi dami kinain ko yan.
Happy birthday! My birthday!
Nakalaan siya ang sabi na.
Ricky's still eating.
Yeah.
The only one still eating.
Sa 1 kilo screams ko. Ayan, kukunti lang yung kay Ricky. Ako ang mas maraming nakain. Ako high blood ang abot ko nito. Ano ba yan? Pero super sarap and super yummy.
A few moments later.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Oh, blow the candle.
Ayan o.
Tapos mo.
Improvise candle yun. Kita nyo.
The candle already went
To
out.
share.
Cellphone na rin.
Number one.
Yes, you got envelope and the teddy bear.
With the face.
1 million.
Wait, one, two, wait, one, two.
1 million check. Thank you.
One.
I don't know.
There's the 28 million you will won. Yeah. 28
Oh, she's only numbers.
Lotto.
Oh, look
Yes,
at
the
this.
birthday celebrant cake. Ayan.
And share the
Kakamay ko pa dito.
table.
Oo, sige, kunin mo na. Take. And everybody. And you.
Happy birthday.
Take.
Thank you.
Everybody take one. Buy one. Take one. Everybody take
Hang on.
one.
Ay, may sinawan to eh. No.
Yeah.
Why are you all taking the small ones? No, you will not pass. Nobody passed.
No more. Ito ba sila man?
Oh yeah, Mark and pass.
Everybody
Eat around.
3. They're all eating apple pie.
You too, huh?
The favorite. Okay lang. Tapos na yung apple pie mo, Ricky. Ayan, kasi favorite na yan, apple. Favorite na birthday celebrant.